Hello everybody, it is the Naughty Investor here, coming at you with another video. In this video, we are going over everything that's going on right now with the crypto markets, especially with Ripple XRP. But before we get into that, I have a quick note for you. If you're ready to work from home, if you want to work online from your computer and build a full-time income from the comfort of your own home, click the link in the description, Ultimate Affiliate Marketing Program. It'll redirect you to the product page. This program will take you from knowing absolutely nothing to being an absolute expert at affiliate marketing, how to drive traffic, how to convert sales, and how to make a lot of money online. You will learn all of that in that program. If that does interest you, click the link in the description. You will not be disappointed. And now let's get into today's news. So XRP is significantly outperforming most of the market today. Most of your top coins up about 5-6%, Bitcoin up 5%, Ethereum up about 6%. XRP is up a whopping 10% on the day, up to 27 cents, okay? Now this comes about a week after my video where I said, get XRP before it's too late. It might not stay at this price forever, right? And that video did very well. It got about 6,000 views. And I hope most people, learned something from that video, because here I am a week later, XRP up dramatically over the past week. Just on the day up 10%. Over the past week, I think up about 40%, if I'm not mistaken, okay? Almost. So very, very interesting. We are seeing some massive money come into the crypto markets as a whole, but we're also seeing specifically XRP performing very well. And I think a lot of that has to do with the amount of actual development around XRP. Because if you think about it like this, if you're a new investor and you're going to research what cryptocurrencies should I put money into, right? Well, you're probably going to, say you have $100, okay? Just, start off small, right? You're probably going to put a little bit into Bitcoin just because it's the name, right? It's the first, it's the top market cap coin. You're probably going to put a little bit into Bitcoin. And then after that, where are you going to put the rest of your money? Well, I would say for most investors who do their research, the best two options would be XRP or Ethereum, okay? And that's just because those two coins have the most development going on, right? If you're an investor and you're doing research, those are the two coins that are actually making the most moves behind the scenes in terms of companies and businesses using them, okay? So XRP or Ethereum would be the top bets for newer investors, I would assume, okay? Now, on top of that, XRP in particular is also seeing whales increasing their holdings. So the big XRP investors are buying more of it. And the reason is because they know the price is not going to stay low forever, and they want to get in now before the price really takes off and has massive acceleration, okay? When we get into the technicals for XRP, it's very interesting because where we have to break is very close, all right? So we're at 27 cents. We have to get above about 28 cents to break the next resistance level, which I think would be the 100-day moving average, if I'm not mistaken. All the other technicals are looking good. RSI, of course, is in overbuying mode. That's typical when you see this. Don't be phased if there is a small pullback, and that's just probably profit taking occurring, people taking their profits, right? But I'm not going to be doing that. I am in this for the long haul. I'm going to be holding XRP for years to come because I am confident in the future vision of Ripple and of what, XRP offers for utility value, okay? But let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Are you going to be holding XRP for years, or do you plan on selling once you make enough money? Let me know in the comment section down below. I want to hear your thoughts. Overall, guys, we have a lot going on with XRP today. FX coin plans XRP based global cash management system. Japanese exchange FX coin plans to use the XRP token for global cash management and domestic and international remittance. So we have some more development there. Very interesting. We have the total, all the crypto markets up today. Most of your top coins, especially XRP, up today. And we have XRP approaching the next resistance level of about 28 cents. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a a like, subscribe, share it. And once again, if you're ready to make money from home, you want to work online, you're done with that 9 to 5, whether you want to make a full-time income or you just want to make some side money, click the link in the description, Ultimate Affiliate Marketing Program. You will not be disappointed. I will catch you in the next video, and as always, have a great day.